this is Sia. Today I am making liver and cauliflower. Yay! Yay! We got everything prepared. Got my liver here, my onions. Trying to debate, should I fry the onions first? Y'all know I can't have flour. So I looked online, you can cook it without flour. So I add my onions. Yes, and I never knew you could cook liver without flour. Before I learned how to cook liver, one time, man, I fried it. I boiled it. Didn't know no better then. I know now. I know you do have to fry liver. You cannot boil it. So I would never do that again. But I love liver. Liver is very high in protein. That's another reason why I want liver. Let my onions fry all that. That's what I'm doing now. Let them fry a little bit. Then I'm going to put the liver right in here with it. I like a lot of onions. Like I had my onions, some onions I had, I had to wind up throwing them in the trash. So I wound up with these one medium, one small onion. And, cause I buy onions, I buy all. Every time I go to the store, I see onions, I'm gonna buy them because I love onions. That being said, I'm gonna put this in here on the onion. Yeah. Let the onion just cook around it. I know, guys. Yeah. Finish this, so I'm washing it off. You know, we got. Yeah, I don't do that. I know my chop kind of hot. I can't do that. I'm gonna add a little Italian season. I don't want no pepper. I add Italian season to it. That's it. And some garlic. Never put garlic on it, but I ain't put no salt or pepper. My son don't want none of these. My son don't eat this at all. He just don't know what he missing out on. TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. I had to taste of some kidney beans. I don't know if that sound good. We'll fit on that, but I made me some kidney beans. Yes, with my liver. Got my son cooking some oodles and noodles because he didn't want what I was eating. He don't eat liver. When he was little, he ate it. He didn't know what it was. Now he see it. He's like, oh, I don't want none of that. I don't know where you got that from. But I tell him it's liver and it's good for you. Very good for you. I'm over here cooking him some noodles. Got me some kidney beans on. About to throw my rice up in that junk. And it's about to be on point. Yeah. Last night, I was out like 2 o'clock in the morning. And these kids, I was on 66 East. These kids decided they want to run a red light. I think they was going about 60. Man, I said I'm on break so quick. When I looked, the car was facing me. I turned around and said, oh, God telling me I don't need to be out here in this street. It's time to go home. I went home. I was shook up a little bit. But I went home. The kids just looked at me. You okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. I was scared to death. When I say I was really scared, I was really scared. But I'm glad everything, it stopped their car just in time. Because I'm like, I turned around to her and I was like, y'all, did I have the light? They was like, nah, you had the light. They was not paying attention. I don't know where they was going. Where they was in a rush to. Oh yeah, they was wrong. You could tell they was wrong. They were lit. The girl in the front seat, like she couldn't even get up. They were lit. They were really lit. And I was like, Lord, it's time for me to go in the house. I'll be right back, TT Squad. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. I'm in here cooking. My liver is done. I got some beans on. I washed this off, so don't think I'm cleaning this with the same thing. I gotta take for some beans, so I got some beans. I made me some cauliflower rice. Of course, babe, you know what? But cauliflower rice I always cooked it. I don't know. It's the first time. I didn't know how to cook it. I didn't know to put it in the pan, put it on the stove. I didn't know where to put it at. So, I put it in a big pot. Let me see. Let me show y'all. I put it in here. Just a little bit. My son came in here and said, "Oh my God, Mom, the liver smell good." I was like, "Yes, it does." Bam, 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 bam. I cannot have gravy. So I did not, I repeat, I did not cook it with flour. I just rinsed it off and cooked it. And this is my rice. This is cauliflower rice. I'm just gonna put some fat-free butter on it, some beans, a piece of liver, and that's gonna be my food for today. That's gonna be my meal. And it's gonna taste pretty good. I'm used to with gravy and all that. Can't have all that. So I can have liver with a lot of onion. Knowing I'm not gonna eat this whole liver, so I should be able to cut through it because liver, look, see, it's so tender. I cut right through it. Bam, cut right through it. Bam, cut right through it. Bam, bam, bam. I'm only gonna eat a piece. Yeah. Bam. With some beans. I'll give me another spoon. Cause this is my dinner, y'all. Kinda late. But this is my dinner. See, I'm doing two things at one time. This is the rice. Can't have the rice too. Bam. Beans, pinto. I mean, these not pinto beans, these red beans. No, just enough. Going to sink. Just enough. The rice. Man, it's gonna be so good. I ain't had liver rice in a minute, so yeah. My plate look kind of dirty. I don't like the fact it look dirty, but I guess that's what you get when you cut your food on it, and there ain't no gravy on it or nothing, but don't need no gravy because it's gonna taste good. Be back, TT Squad. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. Here go my liver and rice and my, what is it, red beans. Say it looks good. I'm gonna try it. Tastes good to me. Cauliflower rice, you gotta get used to it. I love the potato tops. Cauliflower, I keep saying potato tops, like cauliflower potato tops, they really good. French fries, cauliflower is really good. I gotta buy more of them, and I got them at Safeway. Gotta go back and get me plenty more, but look. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. Bye.